personal goal I'm working on. I hope you don't think I'm too vain for doing this, but I just want to see if I can do it, because even though I'm a relatively thin person, my abs don't stand out. And that's because I was skinny fat. I don't know if you've ever heard of it, but I basically fueled my body for 58 years on fat. The fat you eat is the fat you wear. So I always had little paunch here, you know, different things. So I'm working. I'm not going to show you my abs yet. I want to see if I can get there. But so I've got 3 exercises today to work on your abs. The first one, you need a bench like this, okay? So I'm just going to lie down on this bench, and I've got ankle weights on both ankles. So I've got 5 pounds. I think it's at least 5. It may be more, maybe like 8 pounds. 5 to 8 pounds, somewhere in there. And I'm just going to raise my legs up. Now, when I do these, I usually do 2 sets, and I go to failure. Okay, so, you know, I'm trying to push the envelope a little bit, see if I can get them going. So I start here, and I'm going to lean back and grab the bench with my hands. Okay, so now my feet are there. I'm going to raise. All right, so that was good. 14 reps. I try and keep track of my reps as well. And either that or I've got to add weight. So 14 there. That's the first exercise. So I'll do 2 sets of that. The next exercise is low cable pull-ins. Let me show you those. Okay, for this one, I've got a band attached to one of the posts in the railing here, and I wrap that around my feet, and this is actually really good for the hip flexors, but it does target those abs as well, big time. So I'm here, I hold on back here with my hands, so I've got good tension in the band right now. So now I'm going to just bring my knees up to my chest. I'm not going to hit the floor again until I'm finished. Yeah, that'll burn your abs for sure. Okay, the third ab exercise, you need a pull-up bar. I have those gar hammers. I think that's what they're called anyway. They work well. And I've got the weights on my ankles. So I'll show you how. Basically what you're doing is knees to elbows. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video. 3 exercises, simple to do. If you want that 6-pack, or maybe you want an 8-pack, I don't know. But anyway, work on the abs. You need a strong core. It connects the lower and the upper body. All your movements are connected around the core. All the best.